What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can change your age on TikTok. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do, first you have to open up your TikTok app. So after doing so, you have to go to your profile. So after going to profile, you have to click on this three dot bar icon in the top right corner. Then you have to click on settings and privacy option here. After that, you have to scroll a little bit and you have to click a option called report a problem. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after doing so, you have to click on profile and account and profile. Then you have to click on editing profile. After that, you have to click on others. Then you have to scroll a little bit and you have to click on no. After that, you can see there is an option called need more help. You have to click on it. Then a message option will pop up. You have to tell them that you wanna change your age on TikTok. I want to change my name, my birthday on TikTok. So after that, you can see here is two options. How can I change my age? You have to click on this option and they will guide you through that how you can change your birthday on TikTok. So I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.